Guys, so what's up? Other video here. So today we're trolling some people on Brookhaven. I'ma rob them. So let's get our vehicle. You know our you know what I'm gonna use, right? This is the Lamborghinis in the sickest of God. My God. So let's find some victim. This seems good. So you know if I'm trolling, you know that, bro, I will. If I'm trolling, of course I will change my avatar into the something you guys never see and never see. Alright, let's change my avatar. So alright, done. Wait, I forgot. Alright, let's block. You know that? So that all we need is what the bro? Yes, something. Never. Wait. So guys, I'm back now. I got this video cause we replace our aircon to electric fan. If you're Filipino, I know you know that. So let's go. Let's see what. Oh, I know this house. So I will get my tool here and this bomb. Alright, so this is how you do it. Just spam it really fast so you can glitch in. So if you guys confused where the bolt is, wait, oh fuck, bro, did they see me or something? Oh, luckily they didn't see me, guys. I would be fucking banned right now. So just click this plan. Alright, let's just click this. Alright, let's go inside. Lock that thing. Alright. So oh shit, I glitched it. Yo, I have tool now. Wait. No way, bro. Bro, I get fucking two in my inventory, bro. Bro, even if you take it on the bag, fast. Even if you take it on the bag, bro, you cannot get this. Cause if you click just like this and like that, oh wait, oh yeah, I get lag. So I did lag. So probably it's a bug or I'm just lagging. Alright, other victim. It's kinda good, but I forgot where the bolt here. Let's try. Alright, let's see. Let's find it before the owner catch us. Oh, I know this. Just click this. Wait, I mean the shower button. Now it probably shown. Wait, I know it's here, right? I know it's here. I need the bed because I forgot where the button to open this. So if you forgot it, just place some bed. No. Oh my god. Wrong. white guy. So yeah guys, I just do this and open this. Alright, let's open the bolt. Now we got money. Fuck. Right now he gonna look for me. Oh my god. Yeah. Alright, I'm out. Other victim. Let me find it. Wait, guys. So here, guys. Oh shit. There's a people inside the house. So let's take the other turn on back. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Bro, is she the owner? Oh, never mind. He's my friend. Wait. Alright, he didn't see me. Oh, yeah, let's go. Wait. Bro, there's a child on the bathtub. Be fast. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, I'm dead. Let's hide here for a moment. Please, he didn't see me, bro. Alright. Oh no, shit. Go. Go. Oh my god, bro, successful.
And I don't know what to do.
Ito naman. Let's try this one. Alright, go. Bro. Pass. Wait. I forgot the master bed, bro. Wait. Oh shit. So let's this. Oh my god, bro. Shouting. Wait. Alright, let's go. Easy. Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell nah, bro. I'm out. Bala ka dyan. That was so close. Close one. Oh my god, bro. So, we almost get banned. Let's find the other house. Alright. Let me cut this video. Alright, we found the victim. So let's go inside, bro. Alright, let's go up. Easy money. Just click that plant and taran. We got the... Oh shit, I got lava. No, bro, leave. Oh my god. Let's find other one. We got catch in action, bro. We got cut. Bro, he's my friend. You know what I'm talking now? He's my friend though. He's my friend. Alright, other victim bro. That house, the mansion. Let's get to it. Let's rob this. Let's rob this house. Let's rob these mansions. Alright, let's go. I know how to rob this. Alright, first to take that. Alright, let's go. Here. Just need to go 3 push-up. I forgot how to open the bolt, so I get banned. I forgot how to open the freaking button. That's all for the video. Like and subscribe.